Protein foods, affordable alternatives to whey protein. Did you know there are protein-rich food options that can be significantly cheaper than whey protein? If you're looking to save on groceries without compromising your health and fitness goals, you've come to the right place. Let's explore some foods you can add to your shopping list that will still provide the benefits you're after for your body. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, watch the video all the way through, and subscribe to our channel. Your support makes all the difference in helping us continue to share valuable tips, useful information, and wellness-focused tutorials. With whey protein prices on the rise, many folks are on the hunt for alternatives that offer the same nutritional benefits but are easier on the wallet. If you live an active lifestyle and want to build muscle or even lose weight, pay attention. Whey protein is well known for being a rich source of essential amino acids, but the good news is there are other foods that can be just as beneficial. These foods aren't just cheaper, they can also be easily incorporated into your diet without the need for a major overhaul in your eating habits. Let's check out a list of options that can replace whey protein without hurting your health or your budget. The importance of protein in your diet. Before we present the alternatives, it's crucial to understand the ideal amount of protein we should consume daily. This need varies based on individual characteristics like gender, muscle mass, age, and metabolism. Generally, it's recommended to intake between 0.8 and 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. For a more precise assessment, it's best to consult with a nutritionist or dietitian. They can help determine the exact amount you need and suggest the best protein sources for your situation. Options for protein-rich foods. Here are some affordable and nutritious alternatives that can easily replace whey protein. Eggs. Each 100 grams of eggs contains about 13 g of protein. With an average egg weighing around 50 g, you're getting about 6.5 g of protein per egg. It's a popular choice among fitness enthusiasts. Tuna. With 26 g of protein per 100 g, tuna is an excellent source, even if its price isn't the lowest. The cost-to-benefit ratio in terms of protein is quite favorable. Sardines. Offering 21 g of protein per 100 g, sardines are a healthy option, but watch out for nutritional information like fat and sodium content. Beans. A fantastic protein source, beans provide between 20 g to 21 g of protein per 100 g. Often underrated, they're a solid base for a balanced diet. Chicken breast. With 22 g of protein per 100 g, chicken breast is practical and versatile, fitting well into everything from salads to hot dishes. Liver. Although it's a food many people shy away from, beef liver contains 18 g of protein per 100 g. If you're willing to give it a try, there are delicious ways to prepare it. Oats. Each 100 g of oats contains about 14 g of protein. Besides being nutritious, oats are high in fiber and healthy carbs. Lentils. Cooked lentils have about 6 g of protein per 100 g, making them a great legume option. Milk. While not the richest source of protein, a 200 milliliters glass of milk offers around 6 to 7 g of protein. It's a valid option, especially for those who already drink milk regularly. Conclusion. Now that you know about these alternatives, why not include them in your diet? Remember, it's possible to eat healthily and affordably by choosing nutritious foods that won't break the bank. Prioritize your health and make smart choices for your well-being. Which is the best protein source, red meat, chicken, fish, or pork? When it comes to picking the ideal protein source for your diet, many people wonder, which type of meat offers the best amount of this essential nutrient? Protein plays a vital role in building and maintaining muscles, supporting skin and hair health, and is crucial for strengthening the immune system and ensuring proper body function. Therefore, it's important to know the different options available and compare their protein content and other nutritional aspects. With that in mind, Food and Wellness has put together a comparative guide on the 4 most commonly consumed meats: red meat, chicken, fish, and pork. Let's find out which one offers the highest protein content, along with their pros and cons. Red meat. Red meat is one of the most traditional and beloved options on dinner tables. It stands out for being a rich protein source, with about 35 grams of protein per 100 grams of meat. This high protein level makes it an excellent choice for those looking to increase their intake, especially for building muscle. Additionally, red meat is rich in heme iron, which is absorbed more efficiently by the body than the iron found in plant sources. However, it's important to note that it also contains a considerable amount of saturated fats, ranging from 10 to 15 grams per 100-gram portion. Chicken. Chicken breast is a popular alternative for those seeking meat with high protein content and lower fat. With approximately 31 grams of protein per 100 grams, chicken offers a similar amount as red meat. The big advantage of chicken is its low fat content, around just 3.5 grams per 100 grams. This makes chicken breast a less calorie-dense choice, ideal for anyone looking to manage their weight or maintain a healthier diet. Fish. Fish are widely recognized for their nutritional properties and low fat content. On average, a fish fillet contains about 27 grams of protein per 100 grams. While this amount is slightly lower than that of red meat and chicken breast, fish provide additional health benefits. Options like salmon, tuna, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their positive effects on heart health and brain function. Plus, they contain calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, essential nutrients for bone and dental health. Pork. Pork, especially lean cuts like loin, ham, and chops, is another excellent source of protein, with about 35 grams of protein per 100 grams, just like red meat. While many people still associate pork with high fat levels, it's important to highlight that lean cuts are quite healthy and offer protein content equivalent to that of beef. Which meat to choose? If your goal is to get the most protein per serving, red meat and pork are the richest options, each offering 35 grams of protein per 100 grams. However, the choice of meat should consider nutritional balance and personal preferences. Lean meats like chicken and fish are often recommended for those seeking a light and healthy diet. If you enjoyed this content and haven't liked or subscribed to our channel yet, now's your chance. Your support helps us keep sharing valuable information for everyone looking to lead a healthier life. Don't forget to check out our other videos and, if you can, share this one with your friends. See you next time.